Hello and welcome to this video looking at the BR Class 14, a rather unique locomotive type. While it was not part of the early BTC plan, it is a prototype that came forth from the change to diesel. The nickname Teddy Bears for these locos has two reported origins. One is from the face created by the cab and the castings, and the second is attributed to a Swindon foreman saying, perhaps rather annoyed, "We've built the Great Bear, now we're going to build the Teddy Bear." The model by Heljan and via Hattons is a great representation. Many owners, myself included, noted an annoying clicking as the locomotive made its way around the track. This was traced to the jackshaft having too much slack in it, even on second radius curves. My solution was simple. I obtained some circlips, as seen here, and fitted two per side of the jackshaft axle. This stopped the clicking and nothing needed taking apart. Those with tighter than second radius curves may find that just one clip per side works better. Detail is good, and the only real issues are with fitted details coming off and a horrid fit between the chassis and the cab on one side. The centre steps are incredibly vulnerable. As usual, we see the previous loco featured in this series, or one of them anyway, the BR Blue Class 22. It appears that 19 Class 14s were preserved and indeed can be seen regularly working. In one event, 9 of the class worked together, and in a video by Joseph Grice that you are seeing a clip from now, part of that spectacle is well captured. Go and check out his full video, I'll put a link here. It's a testament to BR Swindon that these locos are still in use 56 years later. These locos were once again a Great Western design and allocated, and as such had hydraulic transmissions. The locomotives arrived late, and this was their problem. Introduced between 1964 and 65, they were an 060 rigid chassis with heavy weighted buffer beams for traction. They had a 650 horsepower engine, much more than the well-known Class 08s, which have only 350, and the Teddy Bears could do 40 miles an hour. They were designed for shunting and had excellent vision all round. They were also happy on trip workings and branch line work. One wonders if they were intended to replace the numerous Class 5700 pannier tanks. The engine was a Paxman 6YJXL Ventura, and they had a tractive effort of 30,910 pounds. The 56-strong fleet arrived to find most of their intended work vanished. BR did seek to sell the whole fleet in one go, however many of them made their way to UK industrial service, and still more were cut up, surely a shameful waste of taxpayers' money. Power to the coupled wheel sets was by means of a jackshaft. The model is very versatile and would look good on any layout with its quirky looks and solid performance. In January 1967, 20 were sent to Hull on the eastern region, followed by 13 more later the same year. At Hull they were intended to work around the docks. This means modellers have a broader range of operations to model if they wish. All locos were officially withdrawn by the summer of 1969. Here our loco heads off with tank wagons for another yard, where it will pick up more for transfer to a local refinery. Four of the tankers are some of my original old Triang Hornby ones. They've been with me for very many years. Of course, Class 14s and passenger trains were not unheard of, despite the lack of train heating. But of course it's in preservation that the 14s have been most associated with passenger work. The sounds in this film come by kind permission of other YouTube members, and I've put links to their videos and them in the description.